वीडियो में हम सीखेंगे एग्जैक्टली हाउ यू कैन प्लेट योर फूड इनटू अ हेल्दी बैलेंस मील। एक बहुत सिंपल मेथड है जिससे आप एक हेल्दी और बैलेंस मील खा सकते हो जस्ट बाय फॉलोइंग द गाइडलाइंस दैट आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू इन दिस वीडियो। यूजिंग द प्लेट मेथड एंड कीपिंग ईच मील बैलेंस makes it really simple for people like me who do not want to use the scale each time they are having their food. But before we talk about how to structure a balanced meal on our plate, I want to address some very basic misconceptions. First up is the difference between healthy and balanced. ये दोनों वर्ड्स काफी क्लोजली रिलेटेड हैं बट इनका मतलब काफी अलग है। वी नो दैट फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स आर हेल्दी। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपने अपने डिनर में एक अच्छा सा सैलेड बनाया with all different healthy vegetables and फिर डेजर्ट के लिए आपने एक bowl of अनार खा लिया। While all these foods that you just ate are healthy, आपकी बॉडी कैलोरी वाइज और न्यूट्रिएंट वाइज डेफिशिएंट रहेगी। हमारे दिमाग में कुछ नोशंस हैं, प्रोटीन खाना चाहिए, कुछ लोग पनीर सैंडविच खाते हैं। In your mind, you are eating a protein-rich meal because it's called पनीर सैंडविच। आप उसको व्हाइट ब्रेड में खा रहे हो, पता नहीं कितने बटर से उसको सेका जा रहा है, एंड देन व्हाट इज द अमाउंट ऑफ पनीर दैट इज देयर इन योर सैंडविच, उसका हमें कोई आइडिया नहीं है। इसकी दो प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, ना ही आपकी बॉडी को वह एनर्जी मिलेगी जो आपको एक प्रोडक्टिव डे के लिए चाहिए, बट ऑल्सो योर बॉडी विल बी डिप्राइव्ड ऑफ ऑल द न्यूट्रिएंट्स दैट इट नीड्स फॉर गुड हेल्थ, लॉन्जेविटी एंड ब्रेन हेल्थ। हमें लगता है क्योंकि हमने घर का खाना खाया है तो ये चलता है। क्या आपसे भी ये गलती हो रही है? Eating a balanced meal basically helps you to get all the macro and micronutrients of food group that your body needs for optimum functioning. I think just using the plate method will empower you to structure your meal in a balanced way. And this is not me judging anybody for their choices. ये सारी गलतियाँ मैंने खुद की हैं, and the only intent is to be aware about the kind of confusions we have about food. And with that, let's go to the main video and learn how we can structure our plate to eat a healthy and balanced diet. पहले समझते हैं कि मैक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स या फूड ग्रुप्स ये होते क्या हैं। मैक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स आर डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 मेन कैटेगरीज: कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, प्रोटीन्स एंड फैट. Macronutrients are the nutrients that your body needs for energy and the components that it needs for structure and function. All major body and brain functions are controlled or supported by these macronutrients. To start off, we'll divide our plate into 4 different sections. Fill half of your plate with non-starchy veggies. Starchy vegetables are also healthy. हम इस food group को हमारे carbs वाले section में cover करेंगे. To give you a quick list, हरी सब्जी, लीफी वेजिटेबल, सीजनल वेजिटेबल्स जिनमें कम कार्बोहाइड्रेट है, जैसे कि लौकी, भिंडी, पालक, बैगन, गोभी, ब्रोकली, बेल पेपर्स, मशरूम, सेलरी, स्प्रिंग अनियन, जुकीनी। इस सारी वेजिटेबल्स को कुक करके खाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। कुछ वेजिटेबल्स आप कुक करके खा सकते हो एंड कुछ वेजिटेबल्स आप रॉ या सैलेड की तरह खा सकते हो, जैसे कि कुकुम्बर, टमाटर, मूली, रेडिशेस, beetroot. You don't have to be really picky, just pick as many colors as you can. हम आधी प्लेट हमारी वेजिटेबल से भर रहे हैं तो ऑफ कोर्स इसके बहुत सारे बेनिफिट्स हैं। फाइबर जो कि आपके खाने में बल्क ऐड करता है, आपके डाइजेशन में हेल्प करता है। इट ऑफ कोर्स हैज मिनरल्स एंड विटामिन्स, ऑल्सो पॉलीफेनल्स। यूजुअली हम इसके लिए सप्लीमेंट्स लेते हैं। बहुत सारे सीजनल फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स में नेचुरली ये माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट है। Next up is the food group that is really important for muscle growth and repair. 1/4 of your plate should be packed with protein. Having enough amount of protein in your meal makes sure that you feel satiated and full. आपको बार बार क्रेविंग्स नहीं होंगी और आपका पेट भरा रहेगा, leading you to make better food choices throughout your day. Whether you're working out or not working out, every one of us needs protein. I will be talking about exactly how you can calculate it in another video, so consider subscribing to the channel. ऐसी एक मिथ है कि प्रोटीन खाने के लिए वेजिटेरियंस के लिए इनफ ऑप्शंस नहीं है, but I'll give you a quick list right now that you can use even if you're a vegetarian. First up is legumes like black beans, rajma, kale chane, other nuts like almonds, peanuts, cashews. You can also have paneer, soy-based tofu. Green peas are a good source of vegetarian protein. In fact, cruciferous vegetables like gobi, broccoli, cabbage have good amount of protein in them. And of course, if you're a non-vegetarian, try to go with chicken, fish, They are much balanced and light on your stomach compared to heavier options like red meat, pork. And now let's move on to the third food group. Contrary to popular belief, carbohydrates are quite rich in nutrients required for the energy that you need throughout your day. Specifically, your brain thrives on carbohydrates. The only major thing to note here is we have to avoid refined carbs and go for more complex carbs. Here is a quick list of complex carbs or healthy carbs that you can add in your diet. Best is to go with whole grain like jawar, ragi, brown rice, whole wheat pasta. If you're interested in a more exhaustive list of all the macros that we just talked about, do share in the comments below and I'll be happy to share a list of my favorite macros with you. And finally, don't forget the fats. Fats are extremely important in our diet. They are essential to brain health, nutrient absorption, joint health, hormone creation, and of course, you cannot live on boiled vegetables or raw vegetables. But when you cook food, it's more palatable and it's more sustainable. And that is why sticking to portions while you're cooking your food, like using measures of tablespoon, teaspoon, is really essential. Also, what's recommended is healthy fats like mustard oil, ghee, olive oil, as compared to refined forms of oil that are high in trans fat and are not produced in the most healthiest of ways. Quickly, I would like to discuss 2-3 points that are also essential in making sure that your nutrients and vitamins are getting absorbed in your body, like staying hydrated and drinking enough water throughout your day. A quick hack is to have a bottle with you that you fill in the morning and keep it inside or by your bedside or your work desk. Also, having some form of probiotics in your meal is really essential. So having like a yogurt or a mattha once in your day is a great hack for good digestion and good gut health. And that is how you create a healthy, balanced meal. You can just use the plate method to get aware of the amount of macronutrients that you're getting in your meals. Having said that and giving you the plate method, I'm cognizant of the fact कि ये मुश्किल है and it's not necessary to have each of your meal throughout your day which are balanced. It's just a good way to be mindful and aware of the portions that your body needs for optimum functioning. And with this video, I just wanted to give you the simplest hack you need to start eating healthy. If you've liked this video, share this with one of your family members who would find this really helpful. If you like this kind of content, I'll be back with another video next week. So consider subscribing to the channel. Till then, take care of yourself and I'll see you in the next one.